I bought and reviewed plenty of gadgets over the years that seemed like a good idea at the time, but just ended up in a drawer after a week. This isn't one of them. I've been using this Nitecore CW23 Cinewind for the last few weeks, and it's quietly become one of the most useful tools on my workbench, mainly because I keep finding another job where it's quicker than reaching for something else. Now, it's marketed as a multi-purpose pocket photography fan, but I've been using it for cleaning dried grass and crud off my FPV drones, vacuuming the workbench after a build, blowing dust out of my Unraid server, cleaning my MacBook keyboard and fixing that pesky sticking delete key, blowing grass, dirt and just general sand and muck out of my flight bag, cleaning camera bodies, sensors, tripods and gimbals, clearing filament swarf out of my 3D printer, cleaning up my messy RC cars, clearing all the leaves outside my studio. Dry my hair! Now, obviously, there are jobs where you'll still grab a proper vacuum cleaner or a full-size leaf blower, but for all those little workshop jobs, this has become the thing that I instinctively reach for now. So let's have a closer look. Hello, and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. So this is a compact cordless air blower and vacuum that's designed for cleaning electronics, camera gear, workshops and just about anything that needs dust removing without dragging out a full-size vacuum or compressor. And the first thing you notice is just how compact it is. It doesn't take up much room in the workshop and it easily fits into a camera bag or a flight bag. And inside the box you get the blower itself, plus a whole load of different nozzles and attachments, all this stuff, long ones, short ones, and that's even a vacuum piece. So let's have a quick look at this and what we've got. It's basically uses a high-speed brushless motor down in here, and this spins up to, I think it's 45,000 RPM, which produces a surprisingly powerful airflow for something this size. It sort of takes you by surprise the first time you power it up. If you just, really is incredible. One feature I really like is that it works as an air blower or a vacuum. The vacuum attachments in here, which you fit on the back like that, and then all these other pieces can, let's get something out here, and that clips into the front there like that. And basically, depending on which end you fit the attachments, you can either blast dust away or just suck it up afterwards. There are multiple power levels by pressing, half pressing and full pressing, so you're not always running it flat out. And for delicate camera equipment I generally use the lower setting, but for drones and workshop cleaning I just go full power. It's pretty powerful. So it's powered by an internal rechargeable battery charged over USB-C here. The build quality is, well, it's fantastic. It's a metal anodized body that looks, well, like a Blade Runner prop, if I'm honest, and you can get it in a few different colors, but I particularly like this really punchy orange. It just looks and feels fantastic. Now the price on this depends where you buy it, but it's around £75 here in the UK, and I'll put some links down in the description if you want to check out the latest prices. Battery life, well, it really depends what you're using it for. When I used it as a mini leaf blower to clean the front of my studio out there, it ran on full power for about 10 minutes and was down to one LED on the indicator. And the handle got a little bit warm, but nothing unexpected given how hard it was working. For normal day-to-day use though, dusting down equipment, cleaning drones, vacuuming the bench and blowing dust out of electronics, it just seems to keep going. And because I use it so often, I simply leave it plugged into a USB-C charger, so it's always topped up and ready when I need it. As always, when you've been using something for a few weeks, there are a couple of things I'd love to see in a future version. Firstly, this USB-C only charges the CW20. It won't run directly from an external power source. And it would be great if you could power it from USB for those longer jobs. And secondly, a removable battery pack with the option to keep a spare charged. It would just make it a little bit more practical. But other than those minor points, I really like it. It's well made, it's surprisingly powerful for its size, and the fact it works both as a blower and a vacuum, it just makes it more versatile than I originally expected. Is it essential? Probably not. But is it one of those tools that makes loads of little jobs quicker, easier, and, well, you know, just a bit more enjoyable? Absolutely. And that's exactly why it's earned a permanent place on my workbench. And if I'm honest, I think it looks like it's going to be there for good. Now, if you've got any questions about it, drop them in the comments below. And if you found another use for it that I hadn't thought of, I'd genuinely love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.